Do you want to know how you can give prompts on Midjourney? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can give prompts or commands on Midjourney. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and then search for Midjourney or go to midjourney.com. Log into your account. After you log into your account, you can see the prompt or imagine box over here. In order for you to give the prompt, you must know what you want to do and then you can write down what you want to imagine. So let's suppose I want a picture of a mountain, a picture of Mount Everest where people are dying because of the avalanche. Make it look realistic. And you can see if you do this and write down the aspect ratio, click enter, you can see that a prompt has been submitted. Now go to create, you can see that your prompt is now starting. You can also enable this option and you can edit the image size, model, aesthetic and more options, which is the speed. In a while you can see that your prompt will come to life. Wait for a while and you will see a perfectly stable image in front of your eyes. As you can see, it is now loading. Wait for the image to load completely and you can see all of the things will come to place and your prompt will enable. So go ahead and tap on the image and you can see that the image has been created. So guys, this is how you give prompts on Midjourney. All you need to do is click on this box, write down what you want and write down your imagination and it will come to life. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.